We are Red Rufan now, and it's Jiufen. Yeah, but RUFN, it's L, and it's misty. So yeah, we're gonna see how it is. Yeah, finish eating the sweets. Now we're heading out. Yeah, it's a lot of gift store, and it look like a site here, but so misty you can see nothing. Special place to take a photo. Yeah, but because it's a deep scenery here. So it's deep, and you look up like this. Yeah. We continue walking, looking for our beloved 7-Eleven. Yeah, a long road here, very nice, steamy. A cat. You want to come? You want to pat him? Very old uphill housing. Okay. Yeah, another set of stairs. I'm gonna have a dynamite butt. People, mountain people, they a photo model is here. The cat likes his attention. Oh, we crossed the library. It's like a maze, actually. In Sweden it's called library. In English it's called maze.
Home.
So after the walk, we tried to find time to fly the drone, and we find some time to fly the drone because it's too misty. Sometimes it's way too misty. I can't find the drone, so Here's some shots when I fly the drone, and hope you like it. It's within 2 days, so I put 2 days of filming there to get some scenery, because the mist is really unpredictable, because it can be really misty sometimes, and it can be really misty so you can't see even the drone. So I got a little lucky there. So within 2 days I'll fly a little here and there, because you have to time it. So enjoy the shots and enjoy the music and watch the scenery. It's really easy to fly in Jiufen, and yeah, you can get some nice scenery over there. So if you ever have a chance to fly there. It's very enjoyable to fly. The wind wasn't even strong. It's just the mist problematic you have, but overall it's very easy. No one really disturb you. You have a lot of space you can film, and the regulation there is okay too. So you can get scenery, and except when it's a lot of rain and stuff like that. So try to pick a date that is not raining, but overall it's very fine to fly there. Hope you enjoy the video and enjoy the scenery. It was very nice to fly there. So like and subscribe. See you later.